Ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance haka khatsan trip gulber arhajar arpuar. Kala Thaw ka rule hapo ka kendon arpuwe jonga Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act kung gelinti ban Khanglad ya ka Jingtih Beain ka Jingpelang ba ka Jingkhayi Beain ya udoyong ha ka jela. Ka Sorkar kala ship negara ya ka Jingilang jong ka kenhun menteri bala pentip ba ka Jingthaw ka rule ka long ru kat kum ka Jingsnow jong ka Shari National Green Tribunal. Loong ba kanik rule kabantip kum ka Meghalaya Minerals Prevention of Illegal Mining Transportation Storage Rules arhajar arpuar kan tre kamya baro ki major but minor minerals ha ka ba rule kan kami kam tame ka jing pet perman ya ka jing khai bean ka jing pelang ki Marpoh Khyndew bat ka jing pentre kam tikna ya ka mineral transportation chalan ka Sorkar ka pentip ba jela kam shibladan satya ka ni rule watla kladi bantau la slamba na do ba manjur ka an
3C of the MMDR Act. The state governments are mandated to have rules made to check the transportation, issuance of transport challan, regulate the storage of the minerals, and also to monitor the illegal transportation. Now, in the past, though this mandate was there, the rules were never there in the government of Meghalaya for the past 30 years, 40 years now, since this MMDR Act 1957 has come out. So therefore, this was a long pending rule which should have been there. And this was brought to the notice by the NGT. And based on that, the NGT had then made provisions on their own to come out with certain provisions to monitor the movement of the trucks and the storage of the minerals and the transportation challans. But now that these rules are there, and NGT had made an observation that government of Meghalaya should come out with these rules at the earliest. So as I said, to be very, very brief, 3 sections are there. One is the issuance of the transport challan. Number is regulate the issuance of transport challan. Number 2, storage of the minerals once it's taken out, storage of how it will be stored, where it will be stored. And third is to monitor any illegal transportation. So these are the 3 mandates that are there given in these rules.
Ka Sorkar jela kelarai ru bantung kampura no ya lai hajar hendrus pak sopsan ngot kinong tre ke bejutri kam hagi pos balamang hendrei ki bedang susyak tung kum kinong tre ad hoc. Uang bagi ni kinong tre ki dek beratri na duk kesenam arjar henyo bat ki dek bayo ketulap kum juk kum bayo ki pat kinong tre Sorkar.
As you're aware that earlier the Supreme Court had come out with this ruling, and based on that ruling, a large number of ad hoc employees and a one-time provision was given where employees without the district selection, without MPSC or without any proper procedure or advertisement or following the different reservation policy, the departments had appointed individuals on an ad hoc basis against sanctioned posts. A large number of those people were earlier regularized as a one-time affair, but a few people were missed out. And based on the court ruling and based also on a case that has been filed by those employees who were missed out, another list of 3,635 such employees have today the decision has been made that the process to regularize them will be done, and basically based on that the procedure will start, and they will be regularized from the date of the notification of their regularization, and after the procedure and process is followed, and also they will be governed by all the rules and regulations that are there that are applicable to other government employees. And as I said, they have been working against sanctioned post. What is very, very important to note that this is not for all casual employees, this is not for all ad hoc employees, or this is not even for temporary appointments. This is for individuals who are working against sanctioned post, who are already enjoying the pay scale that a normal employee, a regular employee gets, but they are still on ad hoc basis because the process of selection and the selection process was not followed when they were appointed. They were appointed directly as ad hoc basis, but it was against the sanctioned post, and they are receiving scale. And once they regularize, it's not that they're going to get the regular salary, they're already getting the regular salary as it is. So it's a question of just regularizing those posts. So this is very different from many other locations where temporary appointments have been made without sanction posts.